Today I'm taking you inside the Webull stock trading app and opening up 30 free stocks with you in real time to help give you an idea of the types of free stocks you can earn on Webull. Hey, welcome back guys. This is Erik of everydayinvesting.com, where I'm all about helping the everyday investor maximize their saving and investing. Today I'm taking you inside my Webull stock trading app and I'm going to open up 30 free stocks with you in real time to really help give you guys an idea of the types of free stocks you can expect when sharing your Webull app with your friends, so you both can earn free stocks as well. Now before we open up the 30 free stocks on Webull, I do want to give a quick disclaimer guys, that I am partnered with Webull, and because of that, the free stocks that I get are going to be typically at a higher value on average than you may typically get as the average Webull user. Still guys, that's not to get discouraged though, because everyone can benefit from earning free stocks on Webull because they really can help build your portfolio along the way. And hey, free is never a bad thing. I just want to give that quick disclaimer before we begin. Now, if you're new to Webull and earning free stocks on there, I do have a more full in-depth video on how to earn free stocks on Webull. Definitely be sure to check out that video after the end of this video if you want to learn more how you can earn some of these free stocks yourself. With that being said guys, we're now going to hop into the 30 free stocks opening in real time. Let's do it. So as you can see guys, the current value on my Webull portfolio is $1,508. These are my positions held in my Webull portfolio as well. Now you can watch as we claim free stocks, this account value of the portfolio will go up in real time. So with that in mind guys, it's a great way to help supplement and grow your Webull portfolio along the way by sharing the app with your friends and earning free stocks for both of you. So let's go back to menu, my free stock. And again, we're gonna go to the top where it says, congratulations, you get a chance to draw a free stock. And as you can see, I currently have 30 and I'm gonna draw them. Also, one thing to keep in mind guys is you definitely wanna claim these within 30 days, speaking of 30, or else the stocks will expire and they'll go back to Webull. So don't wait more than 30 days. Always check your My Free Stock section in the Webull app to claim your free stock. So let's go. So you simply wanna click on Get. All right. Congratulations, the first stock I received one share of TSN valued at $62.34. How awesome is that guys? Also guys, this is really great because if you ever get a stock that you don't want, you can always sell it at a later time and use that cash to then reinvest and buy stocks you do actually want to trade or invest in. So as you can see guys, I now have one share of TSN valued at $62.34. Keep in mind it will take approximately 7 business days though for this to settle, and then the stock will become available in my Webull portfolio. So that's just one right there. Let's do another one. Click Get. We got another share of TSN, a free share of stock. That's 2 shares of TSN. Congratulations, it says. Nice, nice. We got 2 more shares coming. Let's go. Let's click another one. We got a 3rd share of TSN. Okay, I'm seeing a bit of a trend here. 3 shares of TSN. Let's click again. Get. A 4th share of TSN. Not very exciting, guys. Sorry, this isn't as suspenseful as I expected. A 4th one. A 4th share of TSN. Okay, this is looking a little strange now. A 5th share of TSN. Are they all going to be TSN? I wonder. Let's keep kidding. Let's get. All right, guys. I'm just doing this here, and so far they're all TSN. So I will take it. But keep in mind, guys, it isn't guaranteed that you're going to get a stock this high valued every single time. All right, another TSN. Another TSN. So it's looking like I'm getting all my 30 free stocks are all TSN valued at $62. So they're just rolling in right now. We are just on a roll right now, guys. Okay. I honestly didn't expect it all be the same stock. I know it's at random. These stocks are chosen at random, but okay, we got one stock at 71.51 Jobs. Another TSN and another TSN. All right, so oh yeah, so it says my free stocks now 35, so it's added 30 on top of the 5 I already had. Sorry guys, this wasn't as exciting as I thought it was. Apparently they were all the same stock, but hey, I will take it. We got one different, coming in at 71.51 JOBS. So this is just to give you an idea, guys, of some free stocks you can earn on Webull by sharing the app with your friends, both you and they. Keep in mind though guys that you're not guaranteed to get stocks at this high of a value. It all is random and they're all randomly pulled from the pool of available free stocks that Webull has. Again, keep in mind though that these free stocks aren't added to your Webull portfolio in real time. It will take approximately 7 business days for them to settle, and then they'll be available in your Webull account. So now I'm going to jump ahead 7 business days so you can see all of these free stocks deposited into my Webull portfolio. Alright guys, so I've jumped ahead now 11 business days. When I originally opened up these free stocks, it was April the 17th. It is now April the 30th, which is 11 business days later. That is how long it took for the free stocks to officially arrive in my Webull account. And now to see my free stocks and to see your free stocks, all you have to do is click on My Positions from the home page of the Webull app. From here, you'll be able to scroll down near the bottom, and that's where you can see your new free stocks once they arrive in your account. As you can see, my 2 free stocks, TSN, Tyson Foods, and Jobs, 51 Job, are the free stocks that I earned. You can also go to the middle profile icon, which is your portfolio breakdown as well. And if you scroll down to my positions, it'll show I have 1 share of Jobs and 29 shares of TSN, Tyson Foods stock. So those have now been deposited into my account. And again, like I said, from here, I can choose to keep them, or I can also sell these stocks and reinvest the funds into other stocks that I like to own. Now, as I said, guys, although the average Webull user may not get stocks valued typically at that high as I opened in today's video, you can still get stocks valued at that amount or even higher, because as you could see with Webull, every successful referral will grant you 2 free stocks, each valued between $1,200 and $1,400. So you definitely can get free stocks valued at any value from $1,200 to $1,400. And again, this is the current promotion going right now. Refer 2 friends and get 6 free stocks. So definitely something to take advantage of, guys, if you're already a Webull user. So as you could see, guys, earning free stocks on Webull can be a great way to help supplement and grow your Webull portfolio along the way. Now, if you are new to Webull and you want to get started with your own 2 free stocks, definitely feel free to join Webull through my referral link in the description box below, where you can get 2 free stocks when joining Webull and investing your first $100. Secondly, if you are already a Webull user and you want to start earning free stocks as well, I definitely encourage you to check out my more full in-depth video right here on how to earn free stocks on Webull to really help show you the ways you can maximize earning free stocks to, again, help build your own Webull portfolio. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will catch you all in the next one.